everyone, this is Louise and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is going to be a what's in my Kanken, which is probably going to be very different from the other one, which is very familiar for you guys if you have watched it. It's the what's in my school bag, but for this time, I'm not using the black one, which is the Zara bag, but I'm going to use ta-da! This is my not very mustard but yellow, bright yellow Kanken that is very much causing a lot of attention when I'm in public. I love the color. It screams like bright sunshine, ray of sunshine that gives me just like the coolness into my eyes. It screams me sometimes. Sometimes it's me, sometimes it's not. Those are my two personalities, the black one and this one. This is how it looks like. It's the large size. I guess may mini kasi, and then there's a large one. Medium. Is it medium or may largest pa? I'm not really sure, but alam ko may 3 sizes, and this is the medium one. I'm so sorry if hindi siya malinis, kasi I've been using it for a while now, and I really forgot, nawala sa isip ko na I have to film this pa pala. But now, it's second semester, and this is going to be very different from the other one, is what I said earlier, kasi dinagdagan ko na ng things, and mas mabigat na siya, and medyo mas useful, and medyo artsy ho tayo ngayon. So, if you wanna know what's inside this bag, you know what to do. Okay, so for the first part, I just wanted to give you guys an overview. So, this is how it looks like. The whole zipper goes on from this one to this one to this one. Tapos meron ditong small pocket, and then there's a pocket right here. There's also the straps in here na adjustable, by the way. And what I love about the straps is hindi din siya yellow. It has some variation. Meron siyang teal, may pastel pink. I love it so much. So meron ditong buttons, and then there's also another pocket for here, which I think is for bottled water, pero I don't use it because super bulky na sa loob, so I don't have the space for much. So eto, lalagyan talaga to ng kalat na tinanggal ko na kanina. So I'm going to open first the outside, which is the small pocket. So basta I have a napkin, which is right here. Tapos I also have earphones, and I also have the alcohol that I show you, this one from the last video, basta yan, alcohol. And then I also have Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in the shade Birthday or B-Day. So I also have the NYX Lip Cream in the shade SMLC 10. Pero this is going to be thrown out, but I just have this in my bag because there's a sale from Colorit that you can exchange, and in exchange you'll get 100 pesos off sa Velvet. So I just have that because I'm planning to get it. So my ever favorite Rouge Signature from L'Oreal in the shade I Explore, and another backup sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. If you're guys asking bakit hindi ko siya nilagay sa isang small bag, then I could just put it kasi it's very much hassle. Kasi pag kinukuha ko siya, like kuha lang, hindi yung kukunin ko pa yung bag and then I will open it, tapos tsaka ko siya lalagay, which is very hassle. Eh gusto ko pag binuksan ko siya, pag busa, yun na, you get me. My favorite part of this probably is this huge logo right here pala, and kapag pinicture mo siya, magre-reflect yung white part of it. So yeah, that's how it know it's original. So I love also the details, which is this one. May button siya na pwede mo siyang paghiwalay na ganyan. Tapos, you can open it. So, I usually open it like this one. So, yeah, just to give you guys an overview, this is how my bag looks like. I'm a very organized person. I don't like my things very untidy because I don't want that unorganized life. So, yeah, ayan siya. So let me guys start with first things first, calculator, because I have a subject that concerns statistics, so must have Casio calculator, very much useful. And then I also have this pencil case, which you have probably seen from the last video. It is somehow like Muji, like a Muji dupe frosted transparent pencil case, And what I love about it is sobrang minimalist lang niya, and it carries a lot of my pens, my essentials. It's unbreakable also. So, meron lang ako ditong stickers ng Friends because I love Friends so much. Just want it personalized. And this is how it looks like. My pens are in here. What I use in my How I Write My Notes video. Ito yun, ito yun. I have a red ball pen, clean color, real brush zig pen na calligraphy pen. Some refills. Kasi hindi na ako bumibili ng ball pen na all. Bumibili lang ako ng refill. Some pencils, and what I use from the How I Write My Notes video. And also a sticker from DBTK. I don't know why I have this still. I just bought something for my boyfriend there. Tapos may sticker ako. So thanks, Mika. You're probably watching this. I also have a coin purse which is from Aldrin, and he bought this from Miniso. Sobrang dami kong coins. Hindi na siya magkasya dun sa pre-wallet. Sobrang bulky. And hindi ko na masara yung wallet ko. He got me a coin purse. And I have my wallet from Santa Monica Polo. There's some Burberry. And I got some cash in here. I thought I just wanted to give you guys some what's in my wallet na rin. So, this is how it looks like. It's very old. I don't buy wallets for myself. I just accept gifts na wallets because sabi nila kapag ikaw dumibili ng wallet mo, wala siyang malalagay. So, this is from my grandma. So, I have a Starbucks card right here. And I also have my UE Psychological Society membership card, which has a lot of benefits. Tapos, I have my old senior high school ID, which is this one. And then, I also have a time zone power card because Aldrin and I love time zone, and just for the photo booth pics and pag nagba-basketball siya. So, and also my used beep card and my BDO card yun. Yun lang naman. And from the pocket, I just have my airplane tickets from Singapore last year. Movie tickets, because I love keeping that because I tend to have very sentimental value in those. I also have some Sentosa tickets. I don't want to throw this out kahit na medyo luma-luma na siya. Giving me a lot of memories whenever I see it, and I wish I could relive those memories, pero with these cards, I can remember it. So, for this pocket na may picture, this is just my picture with Aldrin. And then, I always want to be reminded that I am loved by this guy. So, yeah, we have a lot, like super duper lot. So, I don't know how am I going to fit this now, but I will try my best. Alright, here we go. Saksak na lang natin siya dyan. Okay, so next is my Starbucks sticker card. I currently have 9 stickers. I'm hoping I could do an unboxing the 2020 Starbucks planner, but if I'm going to get that late, I think I'm not probably going to. In this envelope, I just have all of the movie tickets Aldrin and I went to. So yeah, nandyan siya lahat because I'm planning to do something about it. And then some cash, which is probably, not gonna earn a lot because I'm broke. So next naman is another notebook because my developmental psychology subject wanted to be very elementary and decided to have a separate notebook. You guys have seen this already. This is my lecture notebook which compiles everything, like the 4 subjects that I have, and then I just have some colorful neon flags that if you want to remember something, the page of your book, but you don't want to highlight it, it is very useful. Super affordable niya. And then I also have an umbrella which I probably carry for today. Hindi ko siya laging dinadala. That's just the summary of it. So I also have my STS book. This is this book. The reason why I have scoliosis because sobrang bigat nito, guys. Pero I don't usually put it in my bag. I just carry it like this because I can't afford to worsen this back pain. I also have this one which carries a lot of my documents, my registration forms, my exams, my everything. This also holds my yellow papers. This also holds a lot of my reviewers. So, ayan yung mga reviewers ko from the past semester. Yan sila lahat, guys. If I could just turn this into money. Ay, nako, ang daming kong reviewer. I love collecting it kasi, you know, when you graduate and then you'll see that, wala lang, maalala mo lang, and then, that's it. I just have my schedule written over here. And then, nakabisado ko na siya. So, it's useless already. So, I just have my yellow paper na bilang lang. I'll just bring 2 pages kasi nga, daming nanghihingi. But sometimes, ako yung nanghihingi. So, dito, this is a smaller envelope. Naka-separate yung mga registration form and much important documents like also my ID pictures. So, I also printed an invitation from my debut because I just wanted to see it. So, yeah, nagprint ako for myself lang. Or I didn't send out invitations lang. Some important documents lang from my bank account. And that's just it. Let's move on to the last one, which is going to be this brown folder that holds something I don't want it to be folded. So, nandito yung mga research journals ko. Some papers that I passed last week. Also, some research journals. Nabawasan na nga to, guys. This is sobrang kapal ng mga journals na binabasa ko. So, I also have research journals right here na lagi namin pinapresent. So, I don't want it to be folded, kaya naglabas na ako ng folder. I don't want it to be in a file case na kasi yung file case sobrang bulky niya din. And ito lang naman lalagay ko, so I ought to just put it in a brown folder, brown envelope, brown whatever. That's everything for this video. I just want to say thank you so much, loves, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment your video suggestions down below. And I just wanted to say that is not all, but that is my highlighter. So I just want to say thanks to Caroline Stromsick for serving me the realness of it all. Thank you so much, loves, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me on my social media accounts, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you haven't liked this video, please like this video and comment whatever you want to comment. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!